Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make your skin smoother on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your homepage and tap on the plus icon down below. Tap on Start with Image and select the picture you want to edit. After that, slide to the right side of the screen and tap on the Face button. Then you should click on Smooth Skin, which is the last option here, and you should select the intensity. You can see how it changes, and the brush size. Then brush over the areas if you want to make your skin look smoother. For better and more precise application, zoom in, and then you can see how it changes. So brush over the areas to make your skin look smoother. Feel free to change the brush size to be able to apply it to every areas. After you are done, click on the checkmark icon at the top and save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.